Okay, lean in close. What if I told you that the home theater game is rigged? That by 2026, the projectors you can get for under $1,000 will be so sharp, so bright, and so smart, that buying a premium TV might start to feel like a mistake. We've gotten an inside look at the next generation of budget projectors, and what they are packing will blow your mind. We're talking about 4K laser sharpness, built-in gaming modes that crush input lag, and one model with an audio system so good, you'll throw away your soundbar. The future of big screen entertainment is not just coming, it's affordable. Number 1. AI Movin 2.0 System Lisowod 4K Support Smart Projector. Say goodbye to the cumbersome and lagging traditional systems. The L61 Pro 4K projector is equipped with the revolutionary Movin 2.0 smart operating system, powered by a smart chip designed in cutting-edge Silicon Valley. The combination of its powerful processing capabilities and AI Pro technology enhances fluency and stability by up to 75%. Whether it is launching applications or switching between multiple tasks, every operation is effortless. With its personalized design and outstanding performance, Movin 2.0 OS makes it easy for both tech enthusiasts and beginners to enjoy the endless fun brought by smart projection. Number 2. Lisowod L02 1080p Portable-Mini-Movie-Projector. Why choose L02 Mini Projector over other smart projectors? 1. Access 600 plus native downloadable apps, no fake web wrapper apps. 2. L02 Mini Projector's Whale OS offers a clean interface, giving you instant access to popular entertainment, sports, lifestyle, and educational content. 3. Most Wi-Fi projectors require staying on the mirroring page to cast from your phone, but the L02 projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth breaks that rule. Just keep your iOS device and projector on the same network, and you can mirror from any screen, no need to stay on the casting page. 300-inch theater from your 6.1 phone, anytime. 600 plus native apps, no fake web wrappers, and for Netflix certified, the L02 Mini Projector compatible with Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and more, giving you instant access to global content. Unlike many projectors that advertise 100K plus videos, but actually support fewer than 12 web wrapper apps, the L02 outdoor projector delivers true smartphone-like apps. Web wrapper apps require awkward mouse-like remote navigation, while native apps work as smoothly as on your phone. L02 projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth's Whale OS 3.0's built-in App Store offers 600 plus native apps in a portable projector, no clunky web interfaces, just real app performance. Number 3. Epson EX3290 Chip 3 LCD. Impress your audience and own the room with the ultra-bright EX3290 projector. See and be seen with images up to 300 foot, for X the size of a 75 flat panel, perfect for maximizing productivity. Offering 4000 lumens of color brightness, IDMS rated, and 4000 lumens of white brightness, ISO rated, to the power of 1, the EX3290 delivers vivid, professional quality presentations, spreadsheets and videos, even in well-lit spaces. This sleek, compact projector makes it easy to display captivating images using advanced 3-chip 3 LCD technology, stunning widescreen WXGA resolution and real-time, scene-by-scene adaptive correction technology for vibrant color and sharp contrast, every time you display. Ideal for creating dynamic, engaging presentations, the EX3290 conveniently connects to streaming devices squared, such as Amazon Fire, Apple TV, Roku, and Chromecast. Number 4. Sovboi E30Max Projector. Sovboi E30Max Projector gives full access to the Google Play Store, letting you freely download 10,000 plus apps with no restrictions and enjoy quick access for Netflix, Disney Plus, and HBO Max, ending compatibility worries. Equipped with an upgraded chip, this 4K projector delivers sharp, vibrant projection with real-time image optimization and near-zero lag during casting to iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows devices. Its ultra-user-friendly system is simpler to set up than installing apps on your phone. Just sign in and stream to start your happy movie night. ARI Voice Control. Speak to watch instantly. This outdoor projector revolutionizes home entertainment with AI-powered voice control, simply press the remote's MIC button and speak commands like play cartoons for instant playback, and supports over 200 languages. No typing needed, it's simple enough for kids and grandparents. The movie projector syncs with your Google account to record preferences and personalize recommendations. Enjoy seamless wireless compatibility via Google Cast technology for streaming from iOS, Android, phones, tablets, or laptops. Reimagine family entertainment and experience cinematic magic at home. Number 5. Dangbei Atom Portable Laser Projector. Built-in Netflix, access 10,000+ apps from Google Play and enjoy a vast library of 700,000+ movies and shows from top streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Hulu, Disney+, and more. Note, some apps and/or content may not be available in all countries. Laser-powered brilliance, elevate your viewing experience with unparalleled brightness, thanks to the 1200 ISO lumens powered by cutting-edge ALPD laser technology. Every detail of your content shines through with the Atom 1080p Full HD projector, ensuring stunning visuals whether you're streaming, gaming, or presenting. Easy to carry, sleek at 1.87 inches thin and weighing just 2.82 pounds, lighter than a standard laptop. Atom allows you to effortlessly carry it to different rooms in your home. Take your entertainment anywhere with the sleek and lightweight design of the Atom Mini Projector. Bring the theater home, immerse yourself in a stunning up to 180-inch 1080p image, supported by HDR10. Experience theater-quality sound, delivered through dual 5W built-in speakers, on the same side, with Dolby Audio. And that is how you get a cinema-quality experience without a cinema-sized budget. So, which one of these 2026 game changers has a spot on your ceiling? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to be the first to upgrade your movie nights, we've got all the insider information ready for you. Every single rumored product link, spec sheet, and pre-order alert is waiting down in the video description. If this sneak peek into the future of home entertainment got you excited, do us a huge favor, smash that like button, share this video with your favorite movie buddy, and subscribe so you don't miss the full reviews when these projectors officially drop.